Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. I'm your host, Robert Schaller, an attorney with more than 30 years' experience and a registered certified public accountant. The National Offer and Compromise Academy offers the most comprehensive online offer and compromise training experience in the marketplace today. The Academy is designed to train both the novice and skilled tax professional. Enjoy the video and enjoy the courses. All courses were authored by attorney Robert Schaller. He has 33 years of legal experience and is a registered certified public accountant. Schaller is nationally recognized on offer and compromise law and author of the book entitled IRS Offer and Compromise, Installment Agreements, and Innocent Spouse Relief, a treatise for tax professionals. This is a must-have desk reference book for any tax professional who is serious about providing competent offer and compromise services. Schaller is the author of other books tax professionals should find compelling, including the Do-It-Yourself Guide to Offer and Compromise and the Fresh Start Initiative, IRS Innocent Spouse Tax Relief, a treatise for attorneys, CPAs, and tax preparers, and IRS Installment Agreements, a treatise for attorneys, CPAs, accountants, and tax preparers. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to family and friends that Do-It-Yourself Offer and Compromise Academy is available to help taxpayers find solutions to crushing IRS-backed taxes. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy at its contact page at www.diycompromiseacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.